When my client, Melissa, she's been a long-time client of mine, but when she called me and asked me if I would help her with her new house, I was all over it. And one of my favorite spaces that we did ended up being this bathroom, which actually was a bedroom and a bathroom initially. The horrors of this bathroom, it was infested, it was neglected. I don't think anybody had been in that shower for 15 years, no lie. So we really knew we had to gut everything, start clean, and give her this big, beautiful, bright oasis. When we envisioned the space, we wanted it to feel natural, bright, fresh, clean, with a little bit of girly glam. And my client's got a lot of what I like to call soul, so she wanted some found objects in here, stuff that didn't feel too big box. We started with this gorgeous porcelain flooring, which is one of my favorites. It is super affordable, but looks like this beautiful natural stone. I love it. One of my favorite moments in this bathroom is actually the sconces with this mirror. And I'm not lying, she found that mirror in a neighbor's dumpster and she phoned me and said, "What do you think? Could this possibly work?" And I was like, yeah, let's go for it. It's beautiful. It's one of those things that just adds that vintagey, lived-in, curated feel that I love in a space. We have both utilitarian storage in here, and then we also have this beautiful vintage piece that is great for storage. I think, we had to make sure we had a place for her towels and her laundry detergent and stuff like that, but we also wanted to have a place for her pretties. And I think it's really important that you are okay with mixing your utilitarian with your more vintage pieces. I think it looks beautiful and it adds such character to your space. I think in rebellion of the state that we found this house in, we decided that every room we touched in here was going to be clean, contemporary, timeless, and fresh. I think that we achieved that beautiful, fresh palette by using the grays and the whites and a little bit of the warm metals, which really makes a space feel cozy, and then adding in those antique finds and her favorite things that just make it feel like a curated, beautiful space for her to be in. If you haven't seen the video of the kitchen that I designed in this house, you need to check it out. You can find the link below.